I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill Canadian tax forms. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes T4 slips from employers, T4A slips for other income, and any receipts for medical expenses or charitable donations. Make sure your social insurance number is handy. Decide if you'll file online using certified software, mail a paper return, or use a professional tax preparer. Next, accurately report all your income sources. This includes employment income, investment earnings, and any other taxable benefits. Then, identify and claim all eligible deductions. These reduce your taxable income, potentially lowering your tax payable. Common deductions include registered retirement savings plan contributions and professional or union dues. Be sure to keep all supporting documentation. Now it's time to calculate your tax payable. Use the appropriate tax rates for your province or territory. After that, apply any non-refundable tax credits you qualify for, such as the basic personal amount or tuition credits. These directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Also, check for refundable credits, which can result in a refund even if you owe no tax. Finally, thoroughly review your completed tax return. Double-check all figures and ensure all necessary forms and schedules are attached. If filing online, confirm successful transmission. If mailing, send it to the correct Canada Revenue Agency address. The deadline for most individuals is April 30th, but self-employed individuals have until June 15th to file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.